Hello everyone, we are back with a new recipe of Hanspal's Kitchen. So today we are going to be making chicken tikka. So before we start, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And now let's get cooking chicken tikka. As usual, we are going to start with a half kg bowl of chicken. And in that we are going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of chili powder or according to taste, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of salt or according to taste, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala, and 1.5 teaspoon of Tandoori Masala or Chicken Tikka Masala, some black pepper about half teaspoon, and 1.5 teaspoon of cumin powder. Squeeze 1 lemon to get that tangy flavor inside the chicken. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, which is the key ingredient in tikka, and 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. Let's mix all of the ingredients up. Chicken tikka is said to be the boneless form of chicken tandoori. So these two dishes are very similar in terms of preparation and cooking as well. Now that everything has been mixed well, we are going to marinate this chicken for at least 2 hours, and you can also marinate this overnight if you want. So cover it up well and marinate it in a refrigerator. Time skip to 2 hours later and we are uncovering our marinated chicken, and we have also chopped up our onions, bell pepper and tomatoes into large square pieces. We have also soaked up some wooden chopsticks, but if you have any other roasting sticks then use that. Now comes the fun part. Let's start arranging, assorting our tikka sticks. So you can start by adding a vegetable and then a chicken piece and then a vegetable of your choice. The reason why we're using the onions, bell pepper and tomatoes in this is because they are the most used or most common vegetables used in chicken tikka. So go ahead and arrange this tikka stick in whatever way you like it. We like onions, so we are adding a lot of onion in our chicken tikka stick. And now our sticks are ready to be cooked. Chicken tikka is usually cooked in a tandoor or an oven, but we are using a pan. So in a large pan, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and spread the oil in the pan using a brush, or if you don't have a brush, then a spoon. Okay, now let's start adding the tikka sticks one by one slowly. It's really necessary to use a non-stick pan for this so that the chicken does not stick to the pan. These look so colorful. Cover the pan and cook the chicken for 2 minutes in medium to low heat on one side. Open the pan and start turning the tikka sticks to the other side. Be careful when you turn them, make sure you don't burn your hand. Chicken tikka is actually a very nutritious and healthy dish because it only contains chicken and some fresh vegetables. Okay, so now that all of your chicken are turned, cover the pan up again and let it cook for about 2 to 5 minutes. So we let it cook for about 3 minutes, and as you can see, all the water from the chicken has started to dry off. So we are going to cook the chicken in open for about 3 to 5 minutes more. Turn the chicken tikka and check if all the pieces are cooked well. So as you can see, our chicken looks a bit charred, but that was what we are aiming for, so that we can get that slightly smoky, charred flavor in the chicken tikka. You can turn off your stove now because your chicken tikka is ready. Chicken tikka serves as a great appetizer and starter, and it's a very fulfilling dish. For garnishing, you can sprinkle some chaat masala or amchur powder. You can also squeeze some lemon juice on it, and you can pair it up with some onions and some green chutney. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you next time. Bye!